Imagine making money while AI does the hard work for you. In 2025, these 5 free AI tools can help you earn online, save time, and even start a side hustle. Let's dive in. 5 AI tools that can make you money in 2025. First, Copy.ai writes blogs, ads, emails, and product descriptions. Perfect for freelancers and content creators. You can sell writing services on Fiverr or Upwork using this tool. Second, Pictory AI converts text into professional-looking videos. Great for YouTube automation and social media marketing. Many people are using it to create faceless YouTube channels. Third, MidJourney AI art creates stunning artwork from text prompts. You can sell AI-generated art on Etsy, Redbubble, or as NFTs. A huge opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. Fourth, Jasper AI, a powerful AI writing assistant for businesses. Helps in creating SEO blogs, product descriptions, and ads. You can earn by offering content writing services powered by Jasper. Fifth, Synthesia turns text into AI-generated videos with realistic avatars. Perfect for making corporate training videos or explainer videos. Many companies pay hundreds of dollars for this service. These AI tools are not just cool. They can actually help you make money in 2025. Which tool would you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips every week on Synthetics Tools.